Hi all, my name is Jordan Stimulis, and today I'll be presenting my program, Project ICAN. Basically, my program addresses the public health issue of HIV through a risk reduction intervention targeted for African American women in Metro Atlanta, Georgia. My program will address the modifiable determinant of risky sexual behaviors like unprotected sex by emphasizing health-promoting behaviors such as consistent and correct condom use. My program will be based on the information, motivation, behavioral skills model under the value expectancy theory to provide a framework to effectively modify my target population's risk behaviors and see the associated benefits of consistent and correct condom use. My program will incorporate the constructs of information, motivation, outcome expectancies, and behavioral skills throughout the three components of the intervention. Component 1 will consist of a structured questionnaire that measures baseline knowledge of HIV, attitude towards condoms, and self-efficacy after participants have been recruited and given informed consent. The participants will then complete a one five-hour group session facilitated by a trained, culturally competent health educator using the IMB constructs as a guide for specific methods of change so participants can receive the high degree of relevant knowledge about HIV and condoms, address their attitudes and subjective norms, understand the positive outcomes of using condoms, and increase their actual skill and self-efficacy towards consistent and correct condom use. The participants will then receive a total of 12 tailored prevention counseling telephone sessions every 4 weeks to reinforce the prevention information and address any specific barriers towards consistent and correct condom use. Finally, to ensure the program is effective, I will use a summative evaluation using mixed methods following a 9-step approach that will also include a cost-benefit analysis to evaluate the program's cost to the program health outcome. Thanks for watching.